Have you ever felt like you have an untapped potential, a hidden power within you that you haven't fully discovered? Maybe you've had moments of heightened intuition, vivid dreams that seem to carry messages, or an unusual sensitivity to the energy around you. These are signs that you may have hidden spiritual gifts waiting to be unlocked. In this video, we'll explore what spiritual gifts are, how to recognize them, and step-by-step methods to unlock and harness these unique abilities. Everyone has the potential for spiritual growth. All it takes is awareness, practice, and trust in yourself. Let's dive in. What are spiritual gifts? Spiritual gifts are abilities that go beyond the physical and tap into the deeper realms of consciousness. They're often considered talents given by the universe, source, or your higher self. These gifts allow you to connect with energies, insights, and wisdom that can guide you through life. Some common spiritual gifts include intuition, the ability to sense or know things without logical explanation; clairvoyance, seeing visions or images that provide insight; clairaudience, hearing messages or guidance from spiritual realms; empathy, feeling and understanding the emotions of others; healing, the ability to help others physically, emotionally, or spiritually through energy work; mediumship, communicating with spirits or loved ones who have passed; telepathy, transmitting thoughts or understanding others' thoughts without speaking. These gifts are part of who you are, and they can be developed and refined over time. Signs you have hidden spiritual gifts. Before unlocking your spiritual gifts, it helps to recognize the signs that they already exist within you. Here are some indicators. Heightened intuition. You often get gut feelings or know things before they happen. Vivid dreams. Your dreams are detailed, symbolic, and sometimes feel like they carry messages. Strong empathy. You deeply feel others' emotions, sometimes to the point of it being overwhelming. Déjà vu. You often feel like you've experienced a moment before, even if it's your first time. Unexplained sensations. You feel tingling, warmth, or pressure in your body without physical cause. Attraction to spiritual topics. You're naturally drawn to subjects like energy, meditation, or metaphysics. Animals and nature. Animals seem to trust you, or you feel deeply connected to nature. If any of these resonate with you, it's a sign that your spiritual gifts are just beneath the surface, waiting to be activated. Step 1. Set the intention. The first step in unlocking your spiritual gifts is to set a clear intention. Intention is like giving the universe a blueprint of what you desire to explore. Affirmation example. I am open to discovering and developing my spiritual gifts for the highest good. Daily practice. Repeat this affirmation in the morning or before meditation. Setting an intention signals to your subconscious mind and the universe that you're ready to unlock your potential. Step 2. Cultivate mindfulness and presence. Spiritual gifts thrive in a state of presence and awareness. Mindfulness helps you tune into the subtle energies and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Practice meditation. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily to sit quietly. Focus on your breath and clear your mind. Ground yourself. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, anchoring you and stabilizing your energy. Body awareness. Throughout the day, pause and ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? This helps you stay connected to the present moment. Mindfulness creates the mental and emotional space needed for your gifts to flourish. Step 3. Trust your intuition. Your intuition is one of your most powerful spiritual tools. It's that inner voice or feeling that nudges you in the right direction. To unlock your gifts, you need to build trust in your intuition. Follow your gut. Start by making small decisions based on your gut feelings. What to eat, which route to take, or whom to call. Keep a journal. Write down intuitive hits and reflect on their accuracy. Over time, you'll notice patterns and build confidence. Ask questions. When you're uncertain, ask yourself, what does my intuition say? Pause, breathe, and listen to the first thought, or feeling that arises. The more you trust your intuition, the stronger and more accurate it becomes. Step 4. Explore your senses. Many spiritual gifts are linked to your senses: seeing, hearing, feeling, and knowing. Practice developing these abilities through exercises that heighten your sensory awareness. For clairvoyance, seeing, close your eyes and visualize objects, colors, or scenes in detail. For clairaudience, hearing, sit in silence and listen for the faintest sounds. Imagine receiving a whispered message. For empathy, feeling, pay attention to how your body feels in different environments or around different people. For claircognizance, knowing, trust sudden insights or ideas that pop into your mind. Regular practice helps sharpen these abilities and brings your gifts to the surface. Step 5. Connect with nature. Nature is a powerful catalyst for unlocking spiritual gifts. The natural world vibrates at a high frequency and helps clear your energy. Grounding exercises. Walk barefoot on grass or soil to connect with the earth's energy. Tree meditation. Sit with your back against a tree and imagine exchanging energy with it. Observe wildlife. Spend time in nature and pay attention to any animals that cross your path. They often carry symbolic messages. Nature helps you reconnect with your true self and the universal energy that flows through everything. Step 6. Work with spiritual tools. There are many tools that can aid in unlocking your spiritual gifts. Some popular ones include crystals. Stones like amethyst, clear quartz, and labradorite can enhance intuition and psychic abilities. Tarot or oracle cards. These tools can help you practice your intuition and receive guidance. Pendulums. Use a pendulum to ask yes or no questions and build trust in your intuitive responses. Sound healing. Instruments like singing bowls, tuning forks, or binaural beats can clear energy blocks and raise your vibration. Experiment with these tools and see which ones resonate with you. Embrace your gifts. Unlocking your hidden spiritual gifts is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It requires patience, practice, and trust in the process. Remember, these gifts are not just for you, they're meant to help others and contribute to the world in meaningful ways. You are more powerful and connected than you realize. Embrace your gifts, nurture them, and let them shine. The universe is waiting for you to step into your full potential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share your experiences with spiritual gifts. And of course, subscribe for more content like this.